That's some good stuff, Hila?
Make sure you shove it up your nose.
She went straight for the ice cream. She hasn't even touched the cake. Oh, there she goes. Nope.
Take a little cake, birthday girl.
Yum yum. That's some good stuff, huh? You gonna learn to use the spoon? I gave you the spoon. Nope. Fingers are easier, Mom.
Don't get frostbite on your fingers.
This'll be fun. There you go. I'm just gonna dig out on that ice cream? Yes, it melts faster. Gotta get it down.